Hello and welcome. Let's upgrade your Java programming skills together. In this tutorial, we'll be setting up the environment in order to code in Java. For this, we need two components: Java Development Kit, the software which helps to run programs written in Java, and IntelliJ IDEA, an editor to write our code. Let's download and install them. First, we go to java.oracle.com. In the technologies, we go to Java SE, Standard Edition. In the download section, you can see the latest version. It is 10 for this moment, and if you're running Mac or Linux, refer to installation instructions in order to correctly install JDK. I'm just gonna go ahead and click Java JDK. Starting from JDK 9, Oracle offers only 64-bit version. In order to check the architecture of the processor in Windows 10, go to the properties of this PC. And here you can see the system type. At the end, written x64 based processor or x86 or x32 based processor. If your machine is x86 or x32 bit processor, you need to install JDK 8 or upgrade your hardware. I'm just gonna go ahead and accept the license agreement and click JDK 10 version x64, and downloading automatically starts. The second thing is IntelliJ IDEA. For this we go to JetBrains IDEA, jetbrains.com/IDEA, click download. As you can see here, there are two versions of IntelliJ, Ultimate and Community. The Ultimate is paid version with tons of functions and features for enterprise level programming. The Community Edition is absolutely free and open source and also meets all requirements for our course. I'm just gonna go ahead and download Community Edition. But if you want, you can try the Ultimate. It has 30-day trial, but after that you need to pay in order to use it. Click download and downloading automatically starts. Here we downloaded JDK and IntelliJ Community Edition installers. So first we'll install JDK. Double click on JDK installer. The system asks for permission to install. Click yes. We can see here welcome screen of Java Development Kit. Just click next. And you will definitely need this installation path of JDK. For our case, by default, it's C, Program Files, Java, JDK and its version. Just click next and installing now. Along with JDK, GRE, Java Runtime Environment, also will be installed so we can run Java programs. Make sure to leave this checkbox checked, enable Java content in browser and click Next. And Java Runtime Environment will be installed now. In the complete screen, we can see Java SE Development Kit version 10 successfully installed. Just close that. And now we'll install IntelliJ IDEA. Double click on the installation file. Again, it's asking for permission to install. Click yes. You can see here welcome screen of IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. So now just click next, and this is destination folder of installation. You can choose any other path, but I'm just gonna go ahead with default. And I'm gonna create desktop shortcuts for 64-bit launcher and create associations with all of them, Java, Groovy and KT, and click Next. And here the Start menu folder. JetBrains is pretty much okay because it has many other IDEs for other programming languages, so just click Install. It might take a while. I'm just gonna go ahead and wait for that. And here we completed the installation of the IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. So now I'm just gonna run IntelliJ IDEA. To do that, I do check this checkbox and click Finish. We need to make some configurations in order to integrate our previously installed Java development kit with this IDE. So we don't have any previous installations of IntelliJ, therefore we don't import anything. Just click OK. Here you can see user license agreement. Please read this carefully till the end and accept this. The customization of IntelliJ IDEA. So here we're setting our UI theme. We can select IntelliJ Bright or Dark one. I'm just gonna go ahead with Darkula and skip the remaining and set defaults. Here is our IntelliJ IDEA. So in order to configure Java Development Kit, go to Configure, Project Defaults and Project Structure. In the project section, you can see that we have no specified SDK, that is JDK. SDK stands for Software Development Kit. In order to set that, click New, JDK. If you remember, I said that we'll need installation path of JDK. It was on C, Program Files, Java, and make sure to select JDK, not GRE. Click OK. As you can see, we have JDK version 10 and SDK default to project language level 10. Click Apply and OK. After that, we may need some configuration for our editor. To do that, go Configure, then Settings, expand Editor, expand General, Auto Import, section, make sure to select these options, adding and deleting imports. You will understand the meaning of these two options later. For now, just select them, and after that just go to the appearance and check Show Line Numbers checkbox. It will simply show us line numbers on our code editor, for convenience of course. If it's not selected, make sure to select that and then click Apply and OK. And we're all set. Thank you for watching and stay tuned and up to date with BitStream.